Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am excited to bring you this inventory home built by Highland Homes. This is one of their most popular floor plans here in the community of Sandrock Ranch in the city of Aubrey, Texas. Guys, stick around. You won't want to miss this walkthrough of this beautiful inventory home. Okay guys, so we are just coming out of several days of snowed in, and let me tell you, our kids had a blast, and I know a lot of families and a lot of kids had a blast here with the snow. So if you haven't done your research, you don't know much about the weather here in North Texas. We do get snow days here several days throughout the year. So we are just coming out of one of those days, and supposedly we're gonna have another blizzard coming through, but who knows. But anyways, cool to see all the snow all throughout the neighborhood, and I was able to get some drone footages right here. So that was awesome. But now it's time to get out there in sunshine now. So we're excited, and I'm excited to show you this house. Okay guys, so before we continue, would you do us a favor to hit that like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our content that we post each and every week. Me, myself, and my lovely wife, Carla, who's not able to be here today. We are both full-time real estate agents here in the North Dallas area. So we would love to work with you. We would love to represent you on your buying process. Let us show you what we're all about, and build relationship and show you the areas if you're not familiar, and show you different communities that's going to be the best for you and your family. So our information is going to be up here, guys, so you can text us, call us. If you go in the description of this video, you can find our emails as well, if that's easier for you. So we would love to connect with you. Hey guys, if you want more information about the pricing of this house, stick to the end, and we'll go over a little bit about the pricing and what's going on here right now in the market here in the North Texas area. So let's walk into this house, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's talk a little bit about this floor plan. If you haven't researched anything about this floor plan, this is the Panamera floor plan. This particular inventory home that's available right now is a 4-bedroom. It's a 4-bath. They added an entertainment room, which is a media room. It already has the game room, which is a loft. Some people know it as a loft. And it has an office downstairs as well. So this is a great floor plan. And the most wow factor in this floor plan that you're going to notice is the staircase. That's a spiral staircase going up to the second floor. Very open concept, beautiful kitchen. They've done nice finishes to this house. So you won't want to miss this walkthrough. And let me tell you a little bit about the incentives that they're offering right now. So you can get into this home locked in at a 4.99 interest rate, which is amazing. Okay. Now the first year, you can get into a 3.99, and then you get locked in at a 4.99, which is awesome. So if you want more information about that, give us a call. All right, so there you have it, guys. Hey, leave a comment. What was your favorite part about this particular floor plan? Obviously, a lot of people are gonna notice, right, the spiral staircase. So I'm standing right now in the living room space. So look at this view behind me. This is awesome view. I love this floor plan. It works for a lot of people, and even first-time home buyers. Yes, I did mention that we were going to talk a little bit about the price. So originally, this house was listed at just under 640,000. Okay, there is a discounted price that's available right now. So give us a call. We would love to connect with you, go over those details, and what we can do for you as your real estate agents. Okay, so hey, again, if you want to contact us, our information is going to be up here. Text us, call us, email us. We would love to hear from you. Let us know where you are thinking to relocate from. Maybe you're out of state, or maybe you're already here in the Dallas area or in Texas. We would still love to connect with you and answer any questions that you may have. Okay, so we've done tons of videos about Sandrock Ranch, so you can go back and look for some of those. And I know that you would enjoy this particular community. One of the main reasons why people love this neighborhood is because there are no rentals allowed, not in 1 year, not in 2 years, not ever. Per the HOA bylaws, there are no rentals allowed in this community. So if you're looking for an investment property, this community is not the one for you. Okay, but so there you have it, guys. Thank you for staying to the end of the video, and we will see you next time. Bye.